वेलकम टू माय चैनल बोर्ड एग्जाम बड़ी। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं क्लास 12 हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 11 महात्मा गांधी एंड द नेशनल मूवमेंट के पीवाईक्यू बेस्ड एमसीक्यू। ये चैप्टर बोर्ड्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि यहाँ से आने वाले क्वेश्चंस हर साल एग्जाम में रिपीट होते हैं और स्कोर को डायरेक्ट बूस्ट करते हैं। इसलिए वीडियो को स्किप बिल्कुल मत करना क्योंकि लास्ट के एमसीक्यूज ही वो पॉइंट होते हैं जो डिसाइड करते हैं आपका स्कोर एवरेज रहेगा या टॉपर लेवल। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। So our first question is Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa in 1905, 1910, 1915, 1920 and the correct answer is option C 1915. Next question है Gandhiji's first major movement in India was related to indigo cultivation, salt tax, peasant taxation, textile workers and the correct answer is option A indigo cultivation. Next है the Champaran Satyagraha 1917 was related to peasants unrest, indigo planters, textile workers, salt law and the correct answer is option B indigo planters. Next है which movement is known as Gandhiji's first successful satyagraha in India? Non-cooperation movement, Champaran Satyagraha, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement and the correct answer is option B Champaran Satyagraha. Next है the Ahmedabad mill strike 1918 was associated with indigo workers, plantation laborers, textile workers, railway workers and the correct answer is option C textile workers. Next है which tax issue was addressed in the Kheda Satyagraha? Salt tax, land revenue, income tax, water tax and the correct answer is option B land revenue. Next है Gandhiji is believed in which method of struggle? Violent revolution, armed rebellion, satyagraha, terrorism and the correct answer is option C satyagraha. Next है the Rowlatt Act was passed in 1915, 1917, 1919, 1921 and the correct answer is option C 1919. Next है the Rowlatt Act allowed the British government to increase taxes, arrest without trial, introduce reforms, grant self-rule and the correct answer is option B arrest without trial. Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in Lahore, Delhi, Amritsar, Kanpur and the correct answer is option C Amritsar. Next है Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred on 26 January 1930, 13 April 1919, 15 August 1947, 5 February 1922 and the correct answer is option B 13 April 1919. Next है who ordered the firing at Jallianwala Bagh? Lord Curzon, General Dyer, Lord Mountbatten, Winston Churchill and the correct answer is option B General Dyer. Next है the non-cooperation movement was launched in 1919, 1920, 1922, 1930 and the correct answer is option B 1920. Next है which incident led to the withdrawal of the non-cooperation movement? Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Simon Commission, Chauri Chaura incident, Dandi March and the correct answer is option C Chauri Chaura incident. Next है the Chauri Chaura incident involved killing of British officials, burning of a police station, salt law violation, railway strike and the correct answer is option B burning of a police station. Next है the civil disobedience movement began with boycott of schools, salt satyagraha, quit India call, Khilafat movement and the correct answer is option B salt satyagraha. Next है the Dandi March started from Sabarmati Ashram, Wardha, Bombay, Champaran and the correct answer is option A Sabarmati Ashram. Next question है the Dandi March ended at Surat, Dandi, Ahmedabad, Madras and the correct answer is option B Dandi. Next है the salt law symbolized British monopoly, religious reform, industrial growth, education reforms and the correct answer is option A British monopoly. Next है, which year marked the beginning of the civil disobedience movement? And the correct answer is option C, 1930. Next है, Gandhi-Irvin Pact was signed in, and the correct answer is option C, 1931. Next है, as a result of Gandhi-Irvin Pact, Gandhiji agreed to and Quit India movement, participate in Round Table Conference, accept participation, support British rule. And the correct answer is option B, participate in Round Table Conference. Next है, the Quit India movement was launched in 1939, 1940, 1942, 1945. And the correct answer is option C, 8 August 1942. Next question है, the slogan Do or Die was given during non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement, Khilafat movement. And the correct answer is option C, Quit India movement. Next है, the Quit India resolution was passed at Lahore, Wardha, Bombay, Karachi. And the correct answer is option C, Bombay. Next है, during Quit India movement, Gandhiji was arrested from Sevagram Ashram, Sabarmati Ashram, Aga Khan Palace, Yerwada Jail. And the correct answer is option C, Aga Khan Palace. Next है, the participation of women in national movement increased significantly during, and the correct answer is option B, 1920s to 1930s. Next है, which group actively participated in picketing liquor shops? And the correct answer is option B, women. Next है, Gandhiji emphasized which idea for village upliftment? Industrialization, heavy machinery, self-sufficient villages, urbanization. And the correct answer is option C, self-sufficient villages. Next देखिए, which spinning will symbolize self-reliance. And the correct answer is option B, चरखा. अब आ गए हैं स्कोर बूस्टर एमसीक्यूज. यहीं से टॉपर और एवरेज स्टूडेंट में रियल डिफरेंस क्रिएट होता है, इसलिए ध्यान से सुने. द कांग्रेस सोशलिस्ट पार्टी वॉज फॉर्म्ड इन 1927, 1930, 1934, 1942. And the correct answer is option C, 1934. Next है, which act transferred power to the British Crown after 1857? And the correct answer is option B, Government of India Act 1858. Next है, Gandhiji believed that freedom would come through military power, British generosity, mass participation, royal support. And the correct answer is option C, mass participation. Next देखिए, which class formed the backbone of Gandhian movements? Princes, industrialists, peasants, British officials. And the correct answer is option C, peasants. Next है, the role of students in national movement included supporting British education, joining armed forces, boycotting government schools, supporting landlords. And the correct answer is option C, boycotting government schools. Next question है, Gandhiji opposed untouchability and called it divine law, social necessity, a sin, cultural tradition. And the correct answer is option C, a sin. Next है, Gandhiji called untouchables, and the correct answer is option B, Harijans. Next है, which organization worked for removal of untouchability? INC, Arya Samaj, Harijan Sevak Sangh, Muslim League. And the correct answer is option C, Harijan Sevak Sangh. Next है, Gandhiji believed political freedom was linked with economic exploitation, social reform, religious conversion, westernization. And the correct answer is option B, social reforms. Next है, which of the following best describes Gandhiji's leadership? Elite-based, militaristic, mass-based, bureaucratic. And the correct answer is option C, mass-based. Second last question. The movement under Gandhiji transformed nationalism into elite movement, urban movement, mass movement, religious movement. and the correct answer is option C, mass movement. Last question is, which of the following was not a principle of Gandhian ideology? Non-violence, truth, satyagrah, armed struggle. And the correct answer is option D, armed struggle. अब जल्दी से कमेंट में अपना स्कोर लिखिए ताकि मुझे पता चले आपने कितना स्कोर किया। और हाँ, अगर इन एमसीक्यूज का पीडीएफ चाहिए तो कमेंट में पीडीएफ लिखना मत भूलना। नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के एमसीक्यूज और भी ज्यादा स्कोरिंग होने वाले हैं, इसलिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए। ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर बोर्ड्स।